All right. Academic language in social studies is slide one. Persuasive essay on governments by Gregory Wynn. Slide two. Language function. We will compare and contrast. Example being democracies give citizens more rights, while dictatorships give one leader total power. Visual suggestions. Venn diagram of democracy versus dictatorship. Slide number three will be the vocabulary: monarch, democracy, dictator, political system, citizen rights. And our visual suggestions will be icons, crown, ballot, box, badge. Discourse, persuasive essay structure. Number one would be the intro. Number two would be evidence paragraphs. And number three would be our conclusion. Visual suggestions, essay outline graphic. Syntax transitions, however, on the other hand, as a result, would be our transitions. Example, while monarchies rely on single ruler, democracies distribute power among elected officials. Visual suggestions would be arrows showing contrast. The wrap up. In social studies, language helps us compare, contrast, and persuade. That will conclude my social studies video presentation. I will proceed to number two, which would be academic language and science. Lab report on reaction rates by Gregory Wynn. Language function, providing an explanation. Example, as the temperature increases, the reaction rate accelerates. Visual suggestions, thermometer alongside a beaker. Slide three, vocabulary: molar concentration, solution concentration, heat level, speed of reaction, collision between particles. Visual idea, illustration showing molecules in collision. Discourse, lab report structure, procedures, conclusion. Materials is number one. Results and visual suggestions, report outline with check marks. Syntax, sentence starter. As a concentration rises, the rate of reaction is reaction. Example of formula D equals M over V. Visual recommendation, symbols for equations occupied, accompanied by arrows. The wrap up. In science, language is used to describe cause and effect, relationships supported by data. In my third video will be academic language in health education. I messages for healthy choices by Gregory Wynn. Provide a reason. Example, I prefer to stay active since it promotes both physical and mental well-being. Visual suggestions, icons representing exercise and nutritious foods. Vocabulary, dependency, routine, misuse, assistance, safeguarding elements. Visual idea, traffic signs such as stop, caution, and shield. Discourse, role play peer communication, practicing refusal skills, giving justification. That's would be part of the visual suggestion students talking cartoon. Syntax, sentence frame, I feel blank when blank because. Example, I feel frustrated when my friends skip warm-ups because it makes the team more likely to get injured. Visual, visual suggestion, speech bubble, fill in the blank. In the field of health, language plays a key role in explaining decisions and effectively conveying information to others.